So here's the brand new splitter installed on my 2015 Audi A4 S line, and it looks awesome. It's gloss black, it has winglets on the side, it has kind of some aggressive stuff going on in the front, and the cool thing was this was easy to install and pretty cheap. So before I show you where I bought it and how to install it, let me show you what I was working with before I installed this. And here's a splitter I got from ECS Tuning for 160 bucks about a year ago, and it looked pretty good when I first installed it, but now you can see there's a missing chunk there, there's a missing chunk right here as well, there's a long crack here. I mean, there you go. And this is all just from normal driving on the highway and on the town roads, not even smashing into anything, so I'm really surprised that it fell apart this quickly. If you guys have been watching my videos, I've already installed 2 different front splitters on my Audi A4. So this time around, I'm going to be installing something that's easier to find, easier to install, cheaper, and of course, looks pretty good. Here is the brand new splitter that I got off eBay for $97. What a deal. And the quality is actually really nice. I mean, it's nice and gloss black. It's actually pretty thick plastic, a lot thicker than the ECS one. And it comes in 3 pieces. How it connects is there's 4 screws here. So I'm going to take 2, put 2 here. It'll connect these 2 pieces and 2 on the other side. And then also line everything with double-sided tape. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to reinforce it with some screws, because there are some holes here that tells you exactly where to put screws to reinforce it. But before I can put this on, I got to take the old one off, and then let's slap this one on. So here's the old splitter removed. I took out all the screws, removed all the double-sided tape, and then I thoroughly cleaned the bottom of the car using some isopropyl alcohol. So now I can go ahead and install the brand new splitter that I already prepped ahead of time. So the install of the new front splitter is a little funky. What I noticed is on the sides, the front splitter will actually stick to the bottom of the front bumper. For the center, the double-sided tape is underneath, and this center piece actually needs to sit above this little lip that's part of the front bumper. So what I need to do is install the center first, double-sided tape, and stick it to the front here on top, and then I could peel off the sides and then stick them to the front bumper and reinforce them with screws. Well, there you have it, the brand new splitter from eBay. And I think it looks actually pretty good. It's definitely a different design than most of the splitters out there, but I actually like it a lot, especially under 100 bucks. I like it even more. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys think?